Looking for affordable secondhand clothes? In this video, I'll show you how to buy clothes on the Vinted mobile app using your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Vinted app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app opens, browse through the available clothing items or use the search bar to find a specific brand, style, or item. You can also use filters to narrow down your results by category, size, brand, condition, color, price, and material. When you find an item you like, tap on it to open the product page. Here you can view photos, read the item description, check the condition, and see the seller's ratings and reviews. If you have any questions about the item, you can tap Message Seller to contact the seller directly. Once you're ready to buy, tap the Buy Now button. Next, review the order details, including the item price, buyer protection fee, shipping cost, and delivery method. After that, enter or confirm your delivery address. Now, select your preferred payment method and enter the required payment details. Review your order one last time, then tap Pay to complete your purchase. Once the seller ships the item, you'll be able to track your order directly in the Vinted app. And that's how to buy secondhand clothes on the Vinted mobile app using your phone. Thanks for watching.